What if the key to motivation isn't a bonus, but a simple 10-minute conversation? Let's dive into that surprising idea.
Companies throw tons of money at incentives, but what if the answer is way simpler and more human? So, let's look at the first experiment. It's set in a university call center, raising money for scholarships.
Researchers split the callers into 3 groups to see how different kinds of contact would affect them. And get this, the group that actually met a student saw a huge, lasting boost in their performance.
How huge? Well, their weekly time on the phone shot up by an incredible 142%.
And that wasn't just talk. The actual donation money they raised jumped by an even crazier 171%.
I mean, just look at this graph. That top line is the direct contact group. The others, pretty much flat.
And all that extra effort wasn't just busy work. It translated directly into way more money raised for students.
So how could one 10-minute chat cause such a massive shift? Well, time for experiment number 2 to find out why. This time, they moved into a controlled lab setting, using a simple editing task to really isolate the why. And what they found was this key idea: perceived impact. It's that feeling that your work actually matters to someone.
That face-to-face meeting made the positive impact of their work feel totally real and tangible. But wait, did they need a whole conversation, or was just seeing the person enough? That's what experiment 3 looked at. So here, they tested 2 things: just seeing someone versus not, and whether the job itself seemed important or not.
And here's the twist. Contact only worked its magic when people felt their task was really significant.
This combo of contact and significance creates something called affective commitment, a real emotional bond to who you're helping.
So, the big takeaway is that motivation isn't just about what we do. It's really all about who we do it for.
The study's point is powerful. Even the smallest, briefest contact with the people you help can change everything.
Which leaves us with a pretty big question to think about. Who are the real beneficiaries of your work?